When it comes to the safety and hygiene of my loved ones, I only trust Euronics. So it's only natural that I partnered with one of India's largest washroom and entrance solutions brand, Euronics, manufacturing fully automated accessories.
We are all going through unprecedented and extraordinary times. Coronavirus has caused havoc in the entire world. In such times, it is our duty to make sure that our workplace is safe from coronavirus. Workplace is highly vulnerable to virus transmission. Hundreds and thousands of people might enter your workplace every day. Health Ministry said that one COVID-19 patient can cause infection to 406 people in 30 days. These are a few of the examples of how coronavirus can be prevented by spreading at workplace. Automatic hand sanitizer dispensers. These dispensers dispense IPA hand rub, which will sanitize or disinfect hands from coronavirus within seconds. Hand sanitizing panel is a multi-utility floor standing unit with touchless hand sanitizing dispenser. Pedal-operated hand sanitizer dispenser stand. This mechanical stand helps you dispense hand sanitizer liquid by pressing the pedal at the bottom, preventing your hands from getting infected. Touching button of manual soap dispensers may increase chances of virus spread. Replacing it with automatic soap dispenser reduces chances of virus spread. Automatic taps. As per advisory, it is advisable to wash hands every 60 minutes. That means all employees will use taps at least 8 to 10 times a day. If handle of manual taps have been previously touched by corona-infected person, then there are chances of virus spread amongst consecutive users. Now, I would like to recommend you Automatic Tap Spout. Euronics Automatic Tap Adapter is an infrared induction water-saving device which can easily convert your manual tap to automatic within seconds. Push button of WC cistern is the dirtiest place in the entire washroom. Most public washrooms are changing manual WC cisterns to automatic WC cisterns. Automatic sensor-operated bidets will also wash buttocks without touching health faucets or angle wave. It can easily replace health faucets and jet spray in your WC area. Workplace sanitation machine by Euronics will disinfect your entire workplace in minutes. Intelligent contactless thermometer. You must be wondering, why wall-mounted intelligent contactless thermometer? Guests and staff don't want to go closer to a person standing with a gun-type thermometer, as they are scared that the security guard carrying the thermometer may be COVID-19 infected. Contactless intelligent thermometer reduces changes of virus infection from one person to another. Foot-operated door opener. It is a high-quality stainless steel foot door opener mounted at the bottom of the door. It will help you pull the door using your foot, thus keeping your hands virus-free. I hope each one of us will take critical steps to stop the coronavirus spread and make our workplaces lively again.